Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming, tutorial videos for home Mac and wiki CNC machines using Autodesk Fusion. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you what's new in Mapboards Pro, which is a plugin that allows you to nest parts for CNC programming and laser cutting. So let me show you what's new. So let me click on Mapboards Pro, and I'm gonna go to version history. It's mostly like fixes, but there's a new feature that was added last month, which lets you create copies now. We didn't have this feature before. So let me show you what I mean by creating copies. So let's go back to Fusion. All right. I still have Mapboards Pro open. So you see, I have the copies feature here. Let me extend this a little bit more. All right. Before, let's say you wanted to let's say make parts for 5 base cabinets, you'll have to click on the model, right? Just click on where it says where you see the material name, and then you have to type 5 for each individual part, right? Okay. Well, with this feature, you don't have to do that anymore. So let me go back to 1. So I can just go right next to copies and type 5. All right. Now I'm gonna list parts for 5 base cabinets. Okay. So let me click OK. It's creating the map. Okay, you see that? Which is really awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna be using 4.5 sheets of 4x8 white melamine. All right. So let's go back to Mapboards Pro, and let's say let's bring this down to 3. I don't want to increase it. I don't want to increase the quantity because it's gonna take longer. So 3 is fine. So let's click OK. So it's gonna take about 3 sheets of 4x8 white melamine. Okay. So that's the feature that was added last month, which is really great. All right, guys. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. God bless you all. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.